What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. So today is another Gele tutorial video, so you want to get those eyes glued on the screen and keep watching. Okay, today's Gele tutorial is going to be with ashoke. So I've got my ashoke, I've split it. We've got 3 layers of the ashoke and I've just folded one in. And my gele looks a bit rough, but it's okay. We keep going, moving. I split that, and I've got my middle. So this time around is definitely 50-50. Okay, so I've got my middle, and I place it right on the bridge of my nose. So the middle is like there, in the middle of the head, and then come round. This time around I'm going to cross it twice so I can have it like really super tight on the head. So after crossing it, I'm going to twist here. Not all the way to the end, just a twist. And the same thing, twist here as well. So I'm going to bring it to the middle. Bring them across, and then I'm gonna try and fold it one at a time. So this, I'm gonna hold it here, and I'm gonna fold this up nicely. First one goes like there, and I'll pin it down. Secure the same thing on this side as well. Pin this one down here first. Pin it to the end here. And to stop this from happening, just bring it round to the front. Bring them in and pin them together. And that's the end of this video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I Lizzie Atkins upload new content. For now, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video.
let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star, they won't kill my shine.